What's up, folks? This is Al back at you with this caveman feast. It's a paleo diet, and it's gluten free, very healthy. The dishes that you will be preparing with this ebook, it's got 200 plus tantalizing paleo recipes. Like I said, it's gluten free. It contains no grains, no potatoes, no lentils, no dairy, no processed sugars, no preservatives. Nothing but 100% real, fresh, simple ingredients. And it's a diet to help you get, in real good health and stuff. And it has a lot of benefits: weight loss, increased energy, improved performance and recovery, clearer, smoother skin, strong immune system, restore youth and vitality. And he goes on to say that a lot of people are trying this diet, around the internet and around the world, and they're really liking, this ebook that he put out. So we got the link below if you want to check it out. It's worth checking out, it won't hurt anything, And yeah, check him out and see what it's about. He kind of goes into detail with the video on this website here, so he can tell you a lot more about it than I can. But looks pretty good. Look like it's pretty legitimate and stuff. So yeah, go ahead and check him out. Caveman Feast, 200 plus tantalizing paleo recipes, and see what you think. All right, thanks you so much. Talk to you later. Bye.